What is the new revolution you are bringing with the power of AI in the lives of people?
You know, in this advancement of technology, अगर हम ये सोचें कि अभी भी हमें grow नहीं करना है, so it is something that we are actually limiting ourselves.
Why did you choose only women for like your coaching? There is some reason behind that?
Because I am also a woman, and I must say that since it is for women empowerment, for women it is very important for us to remember that we are already empowered. We have to remove the lid so that we can expand ourselves. And
What is that lid called? Can we use AI for habit formation as well?
Absolutely.
How?
It is actually going to give you the habit tracker, habit system, habit tools, every single thing in a structured manner. These days, lot of tools are there, lot of agents are there. So, as women, we also have to understand कि हमें अपनी knowledge को कैसे inculcate करके, अपने skills को कैसे inculcate करके, we have to speed up.
Neurohacking through AI. What is this concept?
There are two options. Either you let the brain control, either you let the mind control you, or you control the mind. So I would only request all of you to not just get overwhelmed by what is happening around you, but just be open to receive what the universe is giving.
नमस्कार, आज के इस पॉडकास्ट में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में है सुरभि पांडे जी, जो कि एक ऐसी पर्सन है जिन्होंने अपने जीवन में मल्टी टैलेंट के बलबूते पर अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में अपनी पहचान बनाई है, अपना दम दिखाया है और वो वीमेन एम्पावरमेंट के ऊपर काम कर रही हैं। आइए हम सब मिलकर उनका स्वागत करते हैं। वेलकम सुरभि जी टू आवर शो।
Thank you so much.
So, Surbhi ji, I would like to know, for the benefit of our viewers, where you started your career with. What is your education background? What has been your journey till date? Because अभी last वाले पर तो मैं बात करूँगा कि what you are doing. But before that, please tell our viewers what has been your journey.
Okay. So basically, since childhood, I had a lot of interest on in performing on the stage, and my parents were very encouraging. So I started my journey with theatre. तो मैंने थिएटर इंडिया में दिल्ली में परफॉर्म किया है, दिल्ली में, बॉम्बे में, कई जगह परफॉर्म किया है, कई सारे प्लेस किए। फिर आई हैड द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गो टू यूके एंड रिप्रेजेंट आवर कंट्री, एंड आई डिड अ प्ले कॉल्ड सन्स ऑफ बाबर दैट टाइम। एंड उसी तरीके से धीरे 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 करके उसी चीज़ में मेरी जर्नी शुरू हुई। एंड आई डिड माई schooling from DPS Faridabad. Then I got my graduation done from Hindu College. I did my BA honors in sociology. And उसके बाद से क्योंकि मेरा थिएटर में इंटरेस्ट था, so I decided to go to Bombay.
Wonderful.
Mumbai.
Wonderful.
So I started exploring my journey over there, started giving auditions. तो acting का धीरे धीरे सिलसिला शुरू हुआ।
What year it? Which year
I
this was?
don't remember. काफी टाइम हो गया।
Okay, great.
It's been I think almost 7 to 8 years.
Oh, wonderful.
तो वो मेरी जर्नी वहाँ से शुरू हुई।
जी।
थिएटर के बाद फिर मैंने सीरियल करना शुरू किया। My first serial was Collector Bahu as main lead. That was for DD National.
Wonderful. That's great.
So yeah, उसके बाद फिर क्राइम बेस्ड शोज करने शुरू किए। फिर मेरा इंटरेस्ट टुवर्ड्स क्रिएटिविटी भी था, फॉर राइटिंग द स्क्रिप्ट्स, फॉर बीइंग बिहाइंड द कैमरा एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग की डायरेक्शन को किस तरीके से करना चाहिए, क्या है। सो आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग एज एन एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर ऑल्सो। तो वैसे करते करते फिर वॉइस ओवर में आई मैं। वॉइस ओवर की भी स्टोरी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। सो आई एक्चुअली रोट अ पोएम। उस टाइम पे मुझे बड़ा ऐसे, कभी कभी आप एक फ्लो स्टेट में होते हो ना रात में, तो आई रोट अ पोएम ऑन होली एंड बाय चांस आई सेंड इट टू माय पेरेंट्स। सो माय फादर हर्ड दैट पोएम एंड उन्होंने सेंड कर दिया,
आगे फॉरवर्ड कर दिया,
हाँ, किसी को कनेक्ट कर दिया एंड ही कॉल्ड मी फॉर अ वॉइस ओवर काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग। तो उस टाइम मुझे मालूम भी नहीं था कि वॉइस ओवर इज ऑल्सो एन इंडस्ट्री। तो वहां पे मैं
गई, you can get paid for it.
Exactly. So वहाँ पे गई तो I did my workshops and I started working as a voice over artist also. So धीरे धीरे करके लाइफ में ट्रांजिशन आया। then I got into coaching and yoga, and there was a complete 360 degree change in my life.
So when you mentioned about coaching,
Yes.
when behind the camera we were talking about you have been working as a life transformation architect, and now you have transformed yourself as a coach for with the power of AI. You are empowering women. What is your current niche, and what is the new revolution you are bringing with the power of AI in the lives of women?
Okay, thank you so much for the question.
Yeah.
So first of all, I want to say that in this advancement of technology, अगर हम ये सोचें कि अभी भी हमें grow नहीं करना है, so it is something that we are actually limiting ourselves. So I'll give you an example. For example, if you have a plant, अगर आपने एक plant को close box में कर दिया, बट उस प्लांट की पोटेंशियल है कि वो ग्रो करे,
करेक्ट,
बट आपने अगर उसको बंद कर दिया तो व्हाट विल हैपन?
it will not grow
It
beyond
is
that.
not going to grow. So
Correct.
similarly, we have to remove the lid so that we can expand ourselves.
And what is that lid called?
That is actually, the
Your belief system?
The belief system, the limiting beliefs.
Correct.
तो उसी चीज को हमें remove करके एक ऐसे zone में अपने आप को लेके जाना है so that we can expand. And similarly, जैसे AI का AI is something which is in. And these days lot of tools are there, lot of agents are there. So as women we also have to understand कि हमें अपनी knowledge को कैसे inculcate करके, अपने skills को कैसे inculcate करके, we have to speed up.
Why did you choose only women for like your coaching? There is some reason behind that? Yeah.
Okay, that's a good question. So it's not something कि specifically for women, but एक होता है कि because I am also a woman, and I must say that since it is for women empowerment, for women it is very important for us to remember that we are already empowered. Because what happens is जो हमारे आसपास के लोग हैं, जो हमारे आसपास के surroundings है, society है,
Because of the societal values and the customs and the traditions
हाँ.
imposed upon the women. That is the reason, right?
that is one of the reasons कि कई बार होता है कि see we are born as a clean slate.
Correct. Correct.
We are born as a very happy go lucky.
Yes,
तब उस टाइम पे हम पे कोई doubts नहीं करते. But slowly when people start doubting us, people start calling different things. So एक belief system बनने लगता है कि I'm not good enough. I need to एक imposter syndrome, then people pleasing attitude. तो ये चीजें सबसे ज़्यादा impact करती है women को.
Yes.
And that creates a lot of stress. So women forget that they are already empowered.
That's the real.
And I must say that women are the best managers.
Correct.
मतलब
No doubt in
वो
that.
एक टाइम पे
Multitaskers.
बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकती है. They can manage their work, they can
Yes.
manage their family, they can manage their every single thing. So it's just that we need to reclaim our power.
Okay. So how this AI and you are doing neurohacking, you were telling me like of the camera, neurohacking through AI. What is this concept?
So neurohacking is nothing but neuro is related to the brain, right? So how do you hack the brain? There are two options. Either you let the brain control, either you let the mind control you, or you control the mind. That takes place when you are using certain technologies, when you are using certain techniques. ठीक है, तो कुछ टेक्निक्स होती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप अपने माइंड सेट को रिवायर करते हो.
Correct.
यू रिट्रेन योर माइंड, यू चेंज योर बिलीफ सिस्टम. आप कुछ एफर्मेशंस का यूज करते हो. यू गेट इनटू द जोन ऑफ विजुअलाइजेशन एंड देन यू चेंज योर ओन आइडेंटिटी.
Correct.
तो वो एक पार्ट होता है वेर यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन. So earlier, the method was extremely traditional. It used to take a lot of time to transform. Now with the age
AI.
of AI, you can simply ask while putting the right question. Like अगर मुझे अपने लाइफ के गोल सेट करने हैं और मेरे पास कम टाइम है और मुझे ये देखना है कि मुझे अपनी लाइफ में स्पीड अप करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे अपना पैशन डिस्कवर करना है एंड पैशन को पर्पस में लेके जाना है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज एन इकिगाई मॉडल वेयर आई पुट माई सिचुएशन, आई पुट व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट आई लाइक, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट आई लव, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट द वर्ल्ड नीड्स एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट आई
Get
कैन बी
paid for.
पेड फॉर.
Yes.
एंड देन इट इज गोइंग टू गिव मी अ clarity ki haan, these are the career options that are
Open for you.
open for me and I can make money.
Okay.
Now if I want to set goals, so I will go to my personality. मेरी ये personality है, इसके according मेरी ये situation
Desk
है.
analysis for-
हाँ.
right.
So there is 16 personalities. There are a lot of different personalities. personality tools that
So
you can
where
discover.
now earlier some expert used to do it, some expensive personality test used to be taken.
Hmm.
Now this is happening at your desktop or laptop in a while, minutes of like
You
time
can
of
do
like,
it.
huh?
You can do it.
Oh, that is where AI is coming into picture.
Exactly. You know what? I'll tell you something. So, like you figure out your personality. There are certain things that you also reflect about yourself.
Correct.
It is not something that your entire life is dependent on AI. Because if you continuously depend on AI, then what will you do? So we have to use AI responsibly.
Responsible.
We just have to use it as a vehicle. तो let's say मुझे goal set करना है, तो I will be asking कि I want to set my goals, my short term goals, my mid term goals and my long term goals, and this is my situation.
Oh.
You put the situation and then it will guide
So
you.
what is the best tool for all these things?
One of them is ChatGPT. For example, if I have to create a presentation, I can use Gamma.
Okay.
है ना? For example, if I have to create a video-based vision board, I can use Flow.
Oh.
So you
wonderful.
just put an image.
So you make your like mentees using all these tools and get them in the webinar and your master classes. You teach all these tools, right?
Yes, exactly.
Goal setting, AI is for goal setting.
Goal setting,
And
yeah.
what about habit formation? Can we use AI for habit formation as well?
Absolutely.
How?
So you know what?
Yeah.
You will be surprised to know that you can actually ask AI what are the things that I need to follow, what are the good habits, bad habits as per my personality. It is actually going to give you the habit tracker, habit system, habit tools, every single thing in a structured manner.
So how to get our personality assessed with AI? I will have to write some question like this is my LinkedIn profile and this is what should I like. Can you give me an example of prompt or something? What you call it in your
Sure.
language? Yeah.
So, for example, if I go to the 16 personalities, my personality is of a mediator. So I do that. And the moment
How you came to know about that?
I did it on 16personalities.com.
Okay. From there you found.
Huh.
And even AI can, like ChatGPT or Claude can also do that.
Definitely,
It can throw some questionnaire and then they can analyze it better, right?
I'll tell you something crazy.
Yes, please.
Which I discovered very recently.
AI is literally crazy, and
It
I'm really
is.
happy to see your excitement about AI and making use of for people.
I am excited,
Please.
and I would tell
I
you,
can see that.
my husband is even more excited. When
Great.
you have to when you start talking about AI, he is full of energy. I mean,
for-
मैंने ये discovered किया, I discovered this, I discovered that.
Wonderful. So for our viewers, like benefit, I would like to tell, Surbhi ji is wife of Raj Gupta, and he's a leading AI and LinkedIn growth expert, founder of Grow That Media, and this amazing couple is doing marvelous work in the lives of people and mentoring them through the power of AI. Please continue.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much. So, very recently, I got to know about there's something called custom GPT. So, I decided to create a personality GPT because that made me very intrigued towards
Correct.
it. So, what I did, I got all the sources. I wrote a couple of scripts. And I just put it in ChatGPT, and I created a custom GPT for personality. So there's a custom GPT which we have created, that is Personality GPT Pro.
So it will analyze the personality of the person
Exactly, it will ask you some questions, 28 to 30 questions.
in the form of radio button options.
Yeah, you just have to give the number
Options.
to it. Yeah.
Okay, number to it, huh?
Number to it. It'll give you
Question
an
answer.
analysis, and it'll also give you a 30-day plan in order to
Oh.
work on the personality, how you can shift your identity, because it has been trained in a specific manner.
And definitely it would have taken into account all the research worldwide
Yes.
available on media, internet, of all the personality tests and all these things, I think.
Yes, it has got the,
It will be best of the researcher, I think, in this.
It has got the books,
task.
it has got Enneagram, it has got Mel Robbins, it has got Jim Rohn, it has got
Oh.
all the sources through which
all the knowledge has
Huh.
been inculcated in those questions and this analysis.
Exactly.
Marvelous.
Like, for example, if I have to set good habit system.
Yes, please.
And the best person for habits is James Clear, the
Yes.
one who has written Atomic Habits.
Correct.
So I will be taking his guidance to set my habits. I will be taking Mel Robbins' guidance so that I can overcome procrastination.
Right.
Using the 5-second rule.
Reticular
5,
activation
4,
system
3,
or
2,
something.
1.
Yes, 5, 4,
Yes,
3, 2,
you
1.
can rewire your subconscious mind. It's something that is
And AI is
learnable.
giving you the answers in a very quickly summarized and crystal clear manner. That is what where AI is coming, right? Isn't it?
Definitely. See, if you are having any question, if you are having any chaotic kind of a thing that is going in your mind, you're not clear what exactly you want to do, you can take the help of AI.
As a thinking partner,
As a thinking partner.
as a mentor, in
As-
fact, sometimes
as a mentor, but you also have to understand what are the things that you can also do.
Yes.
Because see, I am not completely dependent on AI. If I just close my eyes and
no
if
one should, I think,
no, you just
use
if you want
it
to
responsibly. This is what you said.
exactly.
Ah.
We have to be very mindful in terms of using
Here
AI.
comes a precautionary,
Yes.
question, the statement. Yes.
We have to be responsible. enough.
Balancing and,
Balancing.
right.
That
Perfect.
is something which is very important because we can't just follow whatever it is because it's giving certain instructions. But then you read, then you think what I can do. This is something that I can follow, and this is how I can work on myself. For example, I have a habit tracker. Right? So I asked certain questions. What are the things that good or bad, whatever it is. It gave me a structure, it gave me a routine. And I wrote what are the habits that I'm going to follow for this particular month. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. What are my monthly goals? And I wrote accordingly, and that gave me so much of clarity. So it is like an amplifier.
Wonderful.
So if women also use it, they can reduce the mental load, they can manage the time, they can, prioritize their own career, they can handle a lot of situations in a better way if they use AI for goal setting, for identity shifting, for empowering themselves,
and you
for
have it
creating a vision
formations
board,
and visit. Oh, wonderful.
lot of things.
That is how you are empowering women through the power of AI. That's really amazing. So at the end, Surbhi, what message would you like to give for the viewers for using AI, on the using of AI for their life transformation?
Okay, when we talk about transformation, see, my journey started as a live, as an actor. So theater, acting, फिर direction, तो करते करते I got into yoga and then coaching. So somewhere you need to understand that we have to evolve ourselves. It is not something that we can't do. It is not something that is not learnable. It is something that कि वो चीज़ें हम कर सकते हैं by rewiring our subconscious mind and understanding that this is possible. This is the possibility. So I would only request all of you to not just get overwhelmed by what is happening around you, but just be open to receive what the universe is giving. That's the only message that I would give.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
So thank you, Surbhi, for coming to our show. And viewers, keep watching and subscribe this channel for such amazing podcast and information. Thank you very much once again, Surbhi,
Thank you,
for coming to our show. Thank you very much.